you can visit this area called SAMChat. Now, SAMChat is our chatbot, and what you're able to do, you add your website right here, and then you hit this create script button. And this script is going to be custom for you, and you throw this on the header section of the back end of your website. And then your website will now have access to SAMChat. And SAMChat is going to do a couple things for us. And I'll show you just in 1 second. So copy the clipboard, add it to the back end. And right here, we have a file manager. Upload some files based on properties that are on your website, based on the different pieces of content that you've just created in the resources that individuals can trade their details for. You can also upload information about yourself and your business, things that people visiting your website might be curious about. Upload documents about this and then go ahead and close. What that has done is it has given SAMChat some context or understanding. This is essentially its brain, if you will. So now when they go to your website, what they are met with, and this is just a fictitious website, is your website. And then in the very bottom, you're going to see this chat button. When you click on this chat button, you now have access to SAMChat. Now, the really cool part about SAMChat is when it is activated, it is going to do a couple things. Perhaps we're trading details for resources. When you engage with SAMChat, it is going to answer questions, and also it's going to gather those lead details. So as you're chatting with it, it's going to say, oh, who am I chatting with today? Oh, Lisa. Oh, Mark. Oh, Jesse. Nice to meet you. Jesse, do you have a good email address? Excellent. Oh, I would love to get on a phone conversation with you and Cody. What's your preferred method for him reaching out to you? Oh, it's by phone. Excellent. What's your phone number? So it's going to be able to gather these pieces of information while also answering questions about the resources that you have on your website or about the properties that you have listed based on that knowledge section. So this is another way we can start pulling in leads to our business. 24/7, SAMChat is on our website. It's able to help the people who come to our website as we're sending traffic to our website. And then what it's going to do is the next step in the process. So we have all of these leads now trading their details or engaging with SAMChat for our different pieces